Key metrics for evaluating an asset. When choosing an asset to invest in, there are 8 key metrics you need to consider. 1. Liquidity. 2. Upside potential. 3. Inflation protection. 4. Scarcity. 5. Barrier to entry. 6. Diversification. 7. Regular income. 8. Transparency. In this video, I'll explain these 8 metrics in the simplest way possible so you can easily understand them. Liquidity refers to how quickly you can convert an asset into cash without significantly affecting its price. Example of a low liquidity asset. A house is not liquid because selling real estate takes time, and you might have to lower the price to sell it quickly. Example of a high liquidity asset. Stocks are liquid because you can sell them anytime, and you'll typically receive the money in your bank account within 2 days. Second is upside potential. This refers to how much an asset can grow in value over time, and the potential for long-term capital gains. Does the asset protect your wealth from inflation? Some assets, like gold and real estate, tend to hold their value over time while cash loses purchasing power. Scarcity refers to whether the asset has a limited supply, making it more valuable. For example, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, scarce. Gold is limited in nature, but new gold can still be mined. How easy is it for a beginner to invest in this asset? Does it require a large amount of capital? Is the process complicated or simple? Can the asset help you spread risk in your portfolio? Diversification is important to reduce losses if one asset underperforms. Does the asset provide consistent income such as monthly or quarterly returns? Stocks, dividends, bonds, and real estate, rent, generate regular income. How transparent is the asset? Is stock liquid? Yes, stock is liquid. Is bond liquid? Mostly no, because you usually have to wait until the maturity date. Is real estate liquid? No, real estate is not liquid. Is gold liquid? Yes, it's liquid. Is crypto liquid? Yes, it's liquid. Is stock price can go high? Yes, it can. Can we get a lot of money from bonds? Not really. Can we get a lot of money from real estate? Well, it depends on the location. How about gold? Not that much. How about crypto? The answer is high. Does stock can protect you from inflation? The answer is no. How about bond? The answer is no. How about real estate? Yes, the answer is can. Gold can protect us from inflation. How about crypto? Yes, it can. Is stock scarcity? No, if the owner want to issue more pieces of stock to the market, they can do that. Same with bonds. How about real estate? The answer is yes, because land is limited. We all know gold is limited. How about crypto? The answer is yes, because Bitcoin only have 21 million pieces. Is it easy to buy stock? Yes, because you can buy stock with low price. How about bonds? The answer is depends, but most of the time requires a minimum capital. How about real estate? The answer is no, cause it requires big capital. Gold can, because you can buy small pieces. How about crypto? The answer is yes, because you can buy fractional of Bitcoin. Diversify. Yes, stock can, same with bonds. How about property? The answer is no, we can only buy one unless you are super rich. Gold is not diversify because it's only gold. Crypto, on the other hand, is diversify because you can choose metaverse, store of value, or altcoin, same thing like stock. Is stock generates regular income? Yes, through dividend. How about bonds? Yes, it generates income through interest rate. How about real estate? You can rent it and it will generate income every month. Gold, on the other hand, doesn't generate any income. How about crypto? The answer is yes. It can generate income through staking. Does stock transparent? The answer is not sure. You will understand when you learn deep enough. How about bond? The answer is no. How about real estate? The answer is no. Just imagine when you have a land and there's big developer wants to build a big project. Let's say you don't want to sell. They will find a way to make you sell the land. How about gold? The answer is yes. Crypto also very transparent. For example, ETH, you can use Etherscan for BTC. You can use Blockchain Explorer. Based on these selections, crypto is the best option for us to invest money. I'll share more about finance. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If this information is useful to you,